Hi, everybody. It's March 20 or 31st, 2023. And I live in Wisconsin, and right now there's a tornado watch until 10 o'clock tonight. And it's 70 degrees. And yesterday it was so cold out, it was ridiculous. But, so then the temperature is supposed to go down to 34 with a high tomorrow of 42 with rain and snow likely. But, this is talking about things that are kind of scary for us around here. So let's look at what I do is I click on the home link here. And when I look at the United States, it's like, oh my God, this whole yellow area is possible tornado watch. That's a lot. And then out here, it's high winds. And up here, it's a blizzard. So right here, we're experiencing temperatures in the 70s, but right up here, it's a snowstorm. Let's click on one of these for a minute. Blizzard warning. Hmm. That's that's quite a difference being so close. What? So I want to show you College of DuPage. That was National Weather Service. This is what's coming up here. These winds blowing up, and Wisconsin is right here. And then I like to click on the spot over here that says local weather, and I know you can't see it, but I can click on, let's see if it'll let me do it. Regional radar. Come on. So this is where I live is right down in here, and this is all coming up. And the red is tornado warnings, and the yellow is tornado watch. What I want to point out on here too is these weird lines that you see in the radar. See right there. And I can't, I don't think I can get it to stop on one. Let's try. There was one. Okay, so I've got like these lines. There. See that? Those lines. And all these circles you see underneath here, those are radar stations. These sort of grayish blue, those are radar stations. So they're like on high power. Let's look at a little more. We can pick the regional section and look at the radar. So you can see those lines right there. And then this shows up over the radar, so I can't get rid of that. And I can't tell you why those lines are there, but it looks like something is checking out the atmosphere. Let's look at the whole continent for a minute. Oh, well, that's part of it, the southern part. This is where they've been, in this area here, they've had a lot of um, tornadoes. That's a common thing every year. I wonder what this is. I think I'm going to go back to the National Weather Service and see what's going on there in New Mexico. Let's go over there. I think I should get on the radar there, though. Red flag warning. This is high wind warning. Why does the radar look like that, though? So then to see that, I'll go up here to the radar and I'll go under enhanced radar. And you don't see anything on the radar here. Let's see. But you see all these tornado warnings, all these little red things. Let's go back. I'm going to pause it. So I put it on enhanced radar, but I'm still not getting a reading like I could see in College of DuPage. I'm going to pause it again. Okay, I put it on El Dorado weather, and this is the weather alerts. You can pick all these different things that you want to look at. And when I go down to that area in New Mexico, you can see this weird little spot going on here. I'm going to pause it. So I got a little closer. This looks weird, doesn't it? Let's see what else we can find about it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that to see what it tells us. And it takes us to National Weather Service. And look, it's going to be sunny and wonderful there. So I don't know why the radar looks like that. That's odd. I'm going to click out of that. That's really strange. So let's look at the severe warnings. That's not showing anything. I'm going to pause it for a minute. So when I back up a little, some of the biggest spots are all along here and up in here. So I hope everybody's safe. You can see the weather's turning around here. Okay, let's pause. I decided to show you a couple of these, what these things, what happens when you push on these. So here's lightning strike density. And look at, there's like a lot of lightning happening in these places. It's all from like Texas up into Wisconsin and then in Minnesota, even where they're having blizzard warnings. Will it show us the temps if I click on that? Sometimes it takes a long time to come on for me. Oh, it's just. I also clicked on wind speed because I think that helps you understand a little more about what's going on. We've got this big swirling thing going on here in the middle of the United States. So I'm back on College of DuPage and I want to look at the infrared satellite. Oops, come on. So this looks pretty creepy. Let's look at the United States with it. I can go down over here and go to continental, click on the area I want. And you can see these storms coming up here, even along the East Coast more. This whole curling mass right in here. So I'm back on College of DuPage. There's a lot of different lines here that are happening. Like boom, 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 boom. You can see them all over into this area. That's the radar picking that up. And you can see like lines shooting out to different spots real quickly. So here I'm on the continental sections again. Please find cover if you're in the area of any of these moving up. And this is still weird. Sometimes the radar systems don't work right, though, is what they say. But I can't find anything about it right now. So be safe. Take care of yourself. The end of March. It's typically so windy that people, it was a big deal to, when I was young, to do kite flying in March. I wouldn't want to be flying a kite anywhere around here, though.